Oh yeah, so I got this quite a few years back and I'm just now finally getting to it. It's a Mac 1010. Automatic would mean the oiler there. It's fine, it's working. On and off ignition. I think. Yeah, if you pull it back, it kind of sets the throttle a little bit. Spark plug boot. Bar is fine. It does have compression. Oh, it sounds a little fun underneath there. I believe underneath this, after the recoil, you probably get to what people used to say back in the day a stator, but this is actually probably a points saw way before ignition modules. If I do get 5 likes on this video, yeah, we'll take it apart and we'll see what's going on. It's up to you guys. Just give me 5 likes. Thanks. All right, bye.